In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover your Chime account email. Whether you've forgotten it or simply need a quick reminder, recovering your email is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Chime app on your phone or head over to the Chime login page on your computer. It's important to start here because it gives you access to the necessary tools you'll need for recovery. Once you're on the login screen, you'll see an option that says Forgot Email. Go ahead and tap on that. This is your gateway to retrieving the email address associated with your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number or any other details linked to your Chime account. Make sure to input the correct information here, as this step is crucial for Chime to identify your account. It's essentially like providing a key that unlocks the information you need. Once you've entered the necessary details, Chime will display or send you the email address associated with your account. Keep an eye out for this notification or message, as it's your goal here. In some cases, Chime might require you to complete an additional verification step. This is an extra layer of security to ensure that you are indeed the rightful owner of the account. Simply follow the prompts, which might involve answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your phone. These steps might seem like an extra hassle, but they're there to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've successfully gone through any verification steps, you'll have your email in hand. With this recovered email, you can now confidently log back into your Chime account. Remember, having access to your account email is crucial for managing your finances and receiving important notifications, so it's great to have it back. And there you have it. That's how to recover your Chime account email. It's a simple process, but one that can save you a lot of trouble in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.